Experts perform regular inspection of customer HVAC systems to check for faulty components and poor performance. After inspection, these experts assess the system and recommend the appropriate services to prevent further damage to components and reduce excessive operating expenses. Replacement service provides maintenance at a fixed annual fee within the scope of the contract without additional cost. Customers can reliably operate their systems within their budget. Without regular cleaning, customers can experience poor efficiency, decline in air quality, and negative impact on their health. LG's powerful and eco-friendly cleaning solution removes contaminants. Air Purification Care Ship Service offers regular air purification kit cleaning by experts. Customers can enjoy cleaner environments without worrying about managing the air purification kit. LG's cloud-based remote maintenance service, Beacon Cloud, monitors customer systems 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Beacon Cloud monitors equipment in real time and detects system abnormalities to prevent sudden breakdowns. Customers are offered comprehensive control of the entire building's HVAC system through web and app access. Energy management service is offered through Beacon Cloud and uses AI and big data technology to provide energy usage analysis reports. With both humidity and temperature sensing control, customers can not only enjoy more comfort, but also reduce energy costs. Multi-V Overhaul Service is a comprehensive management service that includes repair, replacement and cleaning of indoor and outdoor units. It can extend the lifetime of equipment and optimize operational efficiency. If customers want to live in an environment free from indoor fine dust and odors, LG recommends installing the air purification kit with 5-step air purification filters, panels with dust detection sensors, and control units. Panel renewal service is for customers who want a more refined exterior by replacing older panels. Customers can save energy by replacing old panels with panels that have human detection sensors.